Adjectives to describe weather. Hot. A long period of high heat and humidity. Cold. A long period of cold weather. Hailstone. When small hard balls of ice fall from the sky. Rainbow. When the sun shines through the rain, an arch of colors is formed in the sky. Windy. When the air is marked by strong winds. Tornado. When a strong violent wind circles in a small area. Mist. Light fog caused by drizzle. Drizzle. When it rains lightly with very fine drops. Shower. Short period of rain. Typhoon. When a spiral arrangement of thunderstorm produces winds and heavy rains. Hurricane. When a spiral arrangement of thunderstorm produces winds and heavy rains. Thunder. When rumbling sound of the cloud that happens after lightning. Lightning. When the light flashes in the sky during a storm. Frost. When small ice crystals form on the ground or other surfaces when temperature is cold. Smog. When a cloud of pollution hangs over a city. Sleet. When snow or hail is mixed with rain. Cyclone. When a spiral arrangement of thunderstorms produces winds and heavy rains. Snowflake. An individual piece of snow. Breeze. A gentle wind.